Yeah?
Go to hell.
Go to hell?
Yes.
Why? What you mean go to hell? Are you okay?
That's exactly what I say.
Yeah?
She's fine.
Who is fine?
This lady.
What do you want, darling? You okay?
I'm telling you to go to hell. You should ask us why we're telling you to go to
Why
hell.
should I go to hell?
Because you're a liar and not a good person.
Pardon?
You're a liar and not a good person.
Speak loud, please.
You're a liar.
Am I a liar?
Yes.
What you mean liar?
And not a good person.
I'm not a good person.
Yes.
How do you know?
Because you tell lies.
I don't tell lies.
Yes, you do. Tell this lady,
How do you know?
tell this lady that she's ugly then.
Ugly.
Yes, she's
Who is
ugly.
that? Who is that lady?
This lady, the lady speaking to you.
I don't know what the lady is talking about.
Are you picturing me?
No, I'm not picturing you. How do you know I'm lying?
Because you won't tell the truth. This lady's ugly. Tell her that she's ugly.
Who is the lady?
This lady was standing beside before you.
I don't know what lady you're talking about.
This lady was speaking.
You.
Yes.
I wasn't talking to a lady. I was talking to my friend.
No, I'm saying tell her that she's ugly.
Tell her. Why should I tell her she's ugly?
Because she is ugly.
She's not. She's beautiful.
She's ugly.
No, she's not.
That's the truth of the matter. She's ugly.
No, she's not ugly.
She is ugly.
No, she's not.
She is.
No, she's not.
Oh, then we are a liar.
I'm not lying now. I don't tell lies. I don't know what you're telling.
You see what we mean by liar? You don't tell the truth.
Why you don't go home?
Where should she go home for?
Go home and sleep.
She doesn't need to sleep. She has slept already.
I'm talking about you.
Yes, you know who we are talking about. Guess who is speaking through here right now?
Who you?
The Holy Spirit is speaking through here.
Holy Spirit.
Yes,
Who the Holy Spirit?
it's us speaking through here right now.
Darling, can I tell you one thing? Go home and sleep.
She doesn't need to sleep
Why not?
because she slept already.
She's already sleeping.
She has slept already.
So who is talking to me now?
The Holy Spirit, that's us speaking through.
Okay, what's Holy Spirit?
The Holy Spirit is God.
So God is talking to me now.
Yes,
So are you God?
yes.
Oh my
That's us
goodness.
speaking through you.
No, you're not God.
It's us speaking to you. That's God.
No, I'm not speaking to God. I'm just speaking to you.
No, she's just a vessel that you are using to speak through.
Darling, that is bullshit. Go home and sleep.
It's not bullshit, young
It
man.
is.
It's
So,
the truth.
where you from anyway?
She's from Zimbabwe.
Can I tell you one thing? Can I give you advice?
What is it, young man?
Can I give you advice?
What is it?
The advice is go home and sleep. You're tired. You look tired.
She's not tired at all.
She is tired. You are tired.
She's not tired. That's what you should know.
Seriously, you're tired. Leave.
That's what you should know.
Why you don't leave me alone anyway? I'm taking my car. Why you don't leave me alone? What do you want from me? You just followed me all the way there.
I just wanted to tell you to go to hell for being a liar and
I'm not going to hell.
not a good person.
I'm a good person. I'm not a liar.
You are going to hell, but there's no hell at all.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين الله لا إله إلا هو حي القيوم لا تأخذه سنته ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء إلا من علمه No, you run away. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم شيرين وين ولا نريد القرآن أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله وكويري والله القرآن وكويري أعوذ بالله